Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So let's play Smith-Morra. Yeah, he's quite quick with it. Whoa, he's super quick. Does he know stuff here? Okay, I mean checking this out recently, I don't think I should play h3. That's my conclusion. I should play this. Maybe knight d5 was interesting. Alright, that's fascinating as well. If I play bishop d2 here, I don't really want to double his pawns, because he gets that f file. I'd rather have control on d5 here. Alright, slow down now. Wow, blasted those out quickly. Get some coffee. Okay. Given up his light square bishop, hasn't he? Why would he want to do that? I mean, maybe for very, very specific reasons, but in general, I mean, giving up the light square bishop here, I thought he was pushing for dynamic play earlier, and he seems to be getting passive now because of my d5 blockade. Intriguing. Let's do this. Running b5. There's a nice space gain. Maybe it's useful to gain space over here. Knight d4 loses a piece, right? So put some pressure on d6. There's also queen a2 potentially. It's been handy. Queen c2 to c7. Okay, this is a nifty move, surely. Threatening bishop e6 and also b6, queen a7. I'd enjoy, I think. It's going to stop that. So bishop c4 for a moment. Still happy if I get to play d5. Hang on, it's on the bishop. There's knight g5 here for bishop f7 and protects e4. He's getting a bit passive, surely. There's b6 now over here. Or queen a7 for queen b7. I wonder if I can take on f7 and take on b7. This is looking good. Is it too far to do that? It's 2 pawns. Yeah, let's do this. His knight's pretty bad. I don't think he's Let's bring the king out. So that's another pin. Protecting e4, threatening bishop d6. Queen e7, I'll take on b7. So he's pretty tied down. There's also rook c8 potentially, but my back row is weak. Queen comes out. Okay, I'll just take that. Hang on. If I just took that, and it's knight b6. About queen d5 check for b7. Threatening b takes, queening. I keep my pawn.
Check.
Little subtlety. Keep my dangerous pawn on the board, I hope. Knight f6, I queen, protecting my queen. So my dangerous pawn has been capped. He's resigned here, yes! I played a few accurate punches for a change. I think it's the nuts. I had a few nuts earlier after losing a few, and then I think that's a good source of energy, like nuts and bananas. I haven't got any bananas. I don't really like eating too many bananas, but nuts, different. Yeah. Yeah, I feel a bit better than only nuts and coffee. Okay, so this is good. I squished them a bit over here on the queen side. Oh, knight e5, come on. That is a good opportunity. That just looks diabolical. So bishop f7 was possible here.
Check.
Oh, right, of course, yeah. That's even worse. Yeah, then I take... Oh my god. Don't even... Oh my god, it takes rook f8. Oh, it's all over. Yes, he should have played d5 apparently. Oh, it's really tactical. This is just... Oh, the engine's seeing all these amazing tactics, which no one would ever see in a 5 no human.
Check.
Queen d5 check though is better than this, right? Although even this is dangerous. What does he do with the knight? In fact, this is just... I'm the exchange up anyway.
Check.
But this is even better. Yeah, this is like exchange up and all sorts of... Yeah, that pawn's gigantic. Okay, one of my better games this morning actually. Comments, questions, likes appreciated. Thanks so much.